So I thought I'd show this cool little trick about the snipping tool that was mentioned in the discussion board. I apologize, I've been sick and don't really have a voice and might cough a little in your ear. I apologize in advance. So what I did for the snipping tool is I couldn't find it, so I did a quick search. All Windows should have this. I'm not sure about Mac computers. If you're a Mac user and you know what I'm talking about, then maybe you can send me a quick email so I can help the Mac users too. So all I did is I pulled up one of my lectures over here, and here I have one of my smart arts. You go through insert, do smart art, and I did a Venn diagram. Now some of you were just able to copy these and paste them into your posts, but the snipping tool is pretty cool too. It's really convenient because it'll take kind of a small capture, almost like a screen capture that pressing print screen will do, which is what I've always done. And I'll show how to do that as well. So the snipping tool, you just go to, mine's down here in my bar, so I'm just going to press new. And I have different options. I can do a freeform snip, rectangular, window, or full screen. I'm going to just do a rectangular snip. And over here, I show exactly what I want it to snip. And then I can come in here and make different designs, I guess, within it. So if I wanted to show everyone that I was looking at this part of the Venn diagram and I wanted to highlight something here, or maybe I wanted to highlight something within it, then maybe I wanted to erase it, that was wrong. I can just copy and paste it into my post if I wanted to, or you can save it. And saving it, you have different options. You can save it as a PNG, portable network graphic file, a GIF, or a JPEG, or single file HTML. Any of those would work, but since I don't want to save mine, I'm just going to go ahead and press copy. It'll copy it for me. Then I can go back into iLearn, and I'm going to just press Control V, which is paste, and paste the whole image within my discussion board, and then I can keep typing and so forth. So that's the snipping tool. Very cool, nice tool to be able to use. And if I wanted to, within my document, instead of creating my own drawing, I could come in here and I can go ahead and do, since I did an arrow, I could pick an arrow here and draw my arrow, and then within the snipping tool, that arrow will also be copied into the post. Now the other way I do this is I press the print screen button. This is the Sister Bowman way. And printing the screen will take a capture of the entire screen, your whatever you are viewing. So print screen, you just press that button, and what that's done is it is now made an image of your screen. And then I just bring up a new document and press Control V here. And then I format my picture and just crop it down to what I want, which also looks similar to what the other one does, but now I have to resize it, and it also shows the cursor, and then just copy and paste it into here. So you have several different options if copying and pasting didn't work. There it is. So we have different ways to put kind of a screen capture into your discussion posts that might be helpful if you especially have a bunch of equations and those just don't copy and paste over. The last option is to go ahead and create a PDF from your document. Come and save as a PDF document, one of those, and that will just save the whole page as a PDF, and then you can upload that onto your post as well. and it will not change all of your equations or your pictures. And it'll so you have three fun options to be able to take your pictures to your post. And I am so grateful that somebody showed me the snipping tool because that was very convenient. Uh, and you can play around with that. All right. Good luck on doing some more of your homework together.